Hi everyone, today it's me briefly explain going to a presentation on the topic global warming. Let's start our presentation. By the way, voice using this presentation is computer which is going to help me. My first topic is about global warming, which is one of the major problems of 21st century. Global warming is a long-term warming of the planet's overall temperature. Though this warming trend has been going on for a long time, its pace has significantly increased in the last 100 years due to the burning of fossil fuels. As the human population has increased, so has the volume of fossil fuels burned. Fossil fuels include coal, oil, and natural gas, and burning them causes what is known as the greenhouse effect in Earth's atmosphere. The Earth is warming up, and humans are at least partially to blame. The causes, effects, and complexities of global warming are important to understand so that we can fight for the health of our planet. Now our second topic is about cause of global warming. There are several causes of global warming. Some of them are listed below. First one is deforestation. Second one is mining. Third one is fossil fuel. Fourth one is waste disposal. Fifth one is intensive farming. Now let's move over the topic, that is effects of global warming. There are many effects of global warming. Some are listed below. The first one is effect on biodiversity. The increase of temperature and the climate affects disturb the ecosystem, modify the condition and cycles of planet reproduction. And next effect is effect on ocean. Because of global warming, permafrost and ice are melting massively at the poles, increasing the sea level at a rate never known before. And next effect is effect on weather. The impact is huge, more droughts and heat waves, more precipitations, more natural disasters like floods, hurricanes, storms and wildfires, frost-free season, etc. And next effect is on human. Climate change is affecting the global economy. It is already shaking up social, health and geopolitical balances in many parts of the world. Not only this much, there are many effects on our Earth due to global warming. Next topic, impact of global warming on modern society. Impacts related to climate change are evident across regions and in many sectors important to society such as human health, agriculture and food security, water supply, transportation, energy, ecosystems and others, and are expected to become increasingly disruptive throughout this century and beyond. Climate change affects human health and well-being through more extreme weather events and wildfires, increasing air quality and decreased disease transmitted by insects, food and water. Surface and groundwater supplies in some regions are already stressed and water quality is diminishing in many areas, in part due to increasing sediment and contaminant concentration after heavy downpours. Is global warming prevention. First one is renewable energies. The first way to prevent climate changes is to move away from fossil fuels. What are the alternatives? Renewable energies like solar, wind, biomass and geothermal. Next one, sustainable agriculture and forest management. Encouraging better use of natural resources stopping massive deforestation as well as making agriculture greener and more efficient should also be a priority. Next one is sustainable transportation. Promoting public transportation, carpooling, but also electric can definitely help reduce CO2 emissions and thus fight global warming. Next one is responsible consumption and recycling. Adopting the responsible consumption habits is crucial, be it regarding food, clothing, cosmetics or cleaning products. Last but not least, recycling is an absolute necessity for dealing with waste. Let's move to our last topic. We are on last topic, that is conclusion. There is no country that is not experiencing the drastic effects of climate change. Greenhouse gas emissions are more than 50% higher than in 1990. Global warming is causing long-lasting changes to our climate system, which threatens irreversible consequences if you do not act. We must take the problem seriously and move ahead to reduce the global warming. Not only one country, there must be all countries' unity to prevent from the global warming. Increasing afforestation, reduce water waste, less use of automobiles, and so on. Large majority in every country survived believe that global warming is a serious problem, and majority in 15 of the 25 countries say it is very serious. So we must take some action on global warming. Thank you for giving your time.